Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vivian and you're welcome to Vinix Skincare. Full name is Vinicksnaturals, and if you want to follow me on my personal page, there is a link below the bio description box down below. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. God bless you, and thanks for always supporting. For those that always come to purchase from our Instagram business page and our website, thank you so much. God bless you. So today I want to give you guys ingredients that should never be in your black soap. Most people react to major ingredients that you mix inside black soap. Some people have itchy like me. That I have two major ingredients that I react to that usually causes me itchy skin, so I make sure that I don't add it at all whenever I am making my black soap. So ingredients that should never be in your black soap. You guys should understand that the pH of black soap is around 7 upwards, 6 to 7 upwards. So if you're adding ingredients inside black soap, especially for lightening, it's best you add something that is higher than the pH. Especially when you're making black soap, make sure you add ingredients that are higher than the black soap pH. So not to talk too much, let's dig in. So the first on the list is lactic and glycolic acid. So whenever you want to add glycolic or lactic acid, don't use the synthetic ones, use the botanical ones whenever you want to add lactic into your black soap. You know, lactic helps to exfoliate the skin and also helps to open your pores so that the black soap tends to work well, make your skin to glow, renew your skin cells, all those kind of things. Make sure you don't use synthetic ones, that's the liquid or the powders ones. Use the ones that are extracted from fruits. All right, when I say extracted from fruits, don't go and use too much of lemon juice. You know, when you add too much of lemon juice inside your black soap, it tends not to foam well anymore. So the acid level of lemon is very high. So when you add too much, it will kill the soap foaming texture or strength. So whenever you want to use lemon, use minimal range, use minimal percent. So if for glycolic, let me say, if you want to increase the foaming boosting level of your black soap, just add sugar. All right, just add a minimum of sugar. It will help to increase the foaming level of the black soap. Number 2 is don't use normal water. Don't use tap water whenever you're making your soap, because you don't know the kind of bacteria or the kind of germs that are inside the water, even if it's the treated water. And you know, sometimes tap water kills the foaming texture of the soap. So it's best you don't use normal water. I prefer using, whenever I want to use water to soak my black soap, I actually infuse it first into some fruits before I use it to make my soap. So you can use let me say rose water, you can use coconut water, so it depends. You can use watermelon water, anyway, so by me. So you can use watermelon, you can use pineapple water. Pineapple is very good for the skin, and I don't want to tell you, girls, you know what pineapple do to dial down fat. So use pineapple water whenever you're making your black soap. Maybe it's not for everybody, depends on your skin types or how your skin reacts. So it's not everybody that pineapple works on your skin. It might cause irritation to some people, so always make sure you test it on your skin before you make your black soap. So powders, there are powders that you don't need to use, lightening powders that you don't need to use in your black soap. So there'll be another video for that within the week, so stay tuned, stay put, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So there's another thing I want to talk about. Please don't you ever use tubes inside your black soap. It's never going to work. So you're just wasting your money using tubes in your black soap. Do you understand? How can you buy tubes, let me say gel or cream tubes, let's say kojic tubes, and you're putting it inside your black soap? Do you think it's going to work? It's never going to work. Never. You're just wasting your money and putting tubes inside your black soap. Making black soap is perfect when you use natural powders or botanical powders and a mixture of synthetic powders depending on the pH of the powders. So make sure you don't use tubes, please. Then for moisturizing, some people like using sunflower oil. Some moisturizing is good though, but I prefer using shea butter and coconut oil when it comes to moisturizing. Then a little bit of glycerin. Don't add so much of glycerin inside your soap. Glycerin doesn't actually do a lot of things, just softens your skin and it helps to draw moisture from the environment to make sure your skin doesn't look dry whenever you're using the black soap. So I hope that was very helpful, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Okay, and please let's keep this mixture moving, all right, till we get to the permanent site. Thank you so much, and God bless you, and stay safe. Bye.